Transform your ordinary photos into extraordinary Sonar AI analysis review with just a few clicks. Inspired by providing a solution to endangered animals conservation of the tamarao in the Philippines. To create AI-assisted alerts and analysis, we used Sonar AI. In seconds and not hours. AI analysis. Choose from a list of alerts. Choose from various cameras. Choose from various drone photos. Select active alerts. Analysis in seconds. Check suspicious things or persons in photo. Upload an image in alerts. Click the green sketch button. Upload an image in alerts. Click green button. Here is analysis. Our monitoring app will solve the problem of manual review with no Photoshop skills and alerts with no manual review, saving time. Transform photos of footage in seconds, not hours. 92% faster detection versus manual review. Create a grant application from medical records. Draft the grant application.